Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this lesson, we are going to solve string-based problem. In here, we have to count the occurrence of each vowel in a string. We know the vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U and can be written both in lower and uppercase. We have also been provided a string and we have to count the vowels that exist in this string. So let us copy this string. Now, how we are going to solve this problem? Now, understand that this problem can be solved in many different ways. But in this solution, I'm going to use dictionary because that would be the easiest available solution to us. Now, inside dictionary, I will create the key value pairs wherein keys will represent the vowels and values will represent the count of a respective vowel. And initially, we will set the count of vowels to 0. So this is how this dictionary will look like. Now over here you can see I have described these vowels in lowercase and 0 represents their initial value, and that is understandable because we do not have any count as of now. Now what we will do is we will iterate through every individual character in this string. So we will say that for ch in text, and this will iterate through every individual character. So I'm going to show you how that looks like. I will change the end value to comma and space, and now it has printed every individual character in this string separated by comma and space. Now you have understood that how we can extract the individual character from the collection, which is a string. Now we can compare this character with the keys inside this dictionary. Now the problem is certain characters in this string are in uppercase and certain characters are in the lowercase. So if I will compare the uppercase character, which could be a vowel, for instance I is in the uppercase, if I will compare with these keys, it will not be compared and will turn out to be false because we do not have any key in the uppercase that represents I. So what we need to do is we will say if this character which has been retrieved from the text should be converted to the lowercase, and then we will see whether this character in lowercase exists in the keys collection or not. So there are two ways to write it down. We will say that vowel underscore count keys. So this is going to compare, in fact it will check this character in the lowercase inside the keys collection, and if you want you can ignore it. You can also write it like this, and it will also compare the character in the keys collection of this dictionary. And then if it exists, we will say that vowel count, and this character in the lowercase should be incremented with 1, and this is in that case going to represent the vowel, so we will increment its value by 1. So once we are done this task, we are good to go to print the vowel dictionary. So we can say vowel count, execute this, and it now shows us the count of every individual vowel in this string.